Here's how to develop an essay topic in 1 minute. And our essay topic is, how do I write an essay on any topic? Step 1. Decide on your main point. College life sucks or college life rocks. Let's decide that college life rocks. Great. Step 2. Pick 3 reasons that this is true. Reason 1 could be about making new friends. Reason 2 could be learning a lot. And reason 3 is all the fun extracurricular stuff. Great. Step 3. Write out a complete thesis statement. College life rocks for 3 reasons. Making new friends is easy, opportunities to learn new things are unlimited, and fun extracurricular activities are always available. So what have we accomplished? We have a full first paragraph going, and we know exactly what to write in the body of the essay.